we were failing at this test that number missing at end should return this message. So before this, I just want to correct something. I was going through this argument, this case, and looks like this one is not that allow the add method to handle unknown number of argument, where we did something like where did it go? This. So it just means that allow the add method to handle unknown number of numbers. So basically we already handled that. So basically we don't need to give to have var args. So in short, uh, this is not required. I mean, it can have just one input string input, something like this. Okay, let's see. We don't need this. We don't need this and this. And we can just put this here. Control D. So in short, so we can just return string dot value of sum. Here we can do string. We can remove this control D, and here we can do again this. Okay, looks okay now. Why it's complaining? Method is never used locally. Okay, and we need to make this public. So basically, except this one, this we don't need. Control D, Control S, and here, yeah. So now all our test case except the one which was where we left should pass. Okay, so all our test cases are passing except the last one where we left. So in short, we removed that var args where we could give variable argument that was not part of the requirement. So I misinterpreted. Yeah, so let's now move to number missing at end should return this message. So 1 comma 2 comma this, how should we handle this? Mm, so I think what we can do here is we can validate at the very beginning if string is correct or not. Optional string error equals to validate input and let's create this method and optional import. Okay, and here we can do if error dot is present, return dot get. Okay, else it will just move to our main logic. So here input and what we need to do is check if at the end it has nothing is there. So let's check the rule again. don't missing number in last position. So that could be slash n also and 1 comma 3 comma also. So we can, I think, also do something like this. Okay, let's not do it. Let's cover it in next case. Um, so input dot split our regex was comma. Let's do comma. Comma input dot split comma assign statement to new local variable split and if split split dot length it should be length minus 1 dot equals an empty string return optional dot off. What is the error message? Number expected, but you have found. Mm, 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 mm. Else it will return optional dot off, optional dot empty. Yeah, looks okay. Validate input. If error dot present, hmm, it will split on comma. If okay, let's see if our test case are passing now. Okay, so looks like two of our test keys are now failing. So that means our logic has gone incorrect somewhere. Okay, so here it went to split this, and I think this check if input dot equals empty string, this check needs to go first, and then this check should come. Okay, number expected but was 3. Why it is giving 3? We are giving 1 comma 2 comma. So I just want to check what is the last string. Split 0, split 1, split 2, and let me just run only this test case. Okay, 1 comma 2 comma error index bound out of bound exception. Okay, so that means it is not able to. Okay, so 2 1. So in short, comma 2 comma this, it is splitting to just 1 comma 2, it's just ignoring the last one. Okay, so what we can do is um, we don't need split. We can do if input dot ends with comma. Yeah, that looks okay now. In that way, we can also move our validation above our this method. It's good to have validation at the beginning. Mm, so basically, if input ends with comma, that means there was number expected, but you were found. So we can run it. It should pass. It passed, and let's run all the test cases. That will make sure all our test cases are still passing. Okay, all our test cases are still passing. So one more thing I wanted to do here is 1 comma 2 comma slash n. This should fail now. Yeah. So what we need to make it possible, because slash n is also our split pattern. If ends with comma or input dot ends with uh, line separator, it should give error. Okay, all our test cases are passing, and I hope if there is just one number, it should, this all should pass. Yeah, looks good. So number missing at the end should return as an error message. All our test cases are passing. Okay, now let's see if we can do some refactoring here. Number expected, what you have found looks good. Return 0, number expected. This we can move to some constant or enum, but let's do it after we have some more error statements. Yeah, looks okay to me. Let's move to next use case. Invalid. Okay. Okay, so we had 6. We had missed one of the test case here. So let's pick this one. So what it says is, if we have a delimiter at the wrong position, it should give an error message. So in short, something like this. Let me write test case for it first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Found at position 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it is starting from 0. Okay, so it should give to us 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here it is at position number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we should get message like this. Found at position 4. Okay, so yeah, everything is okay except this test case. Now let us continue that in our next video.